Happy birthday. Why am I so low? I'm so deep. Happy birthday. I sound like Luther Vandross. Wait, where am I? Happy birthday to me. The jelly bean. Oh my gosh, you have to see my cat's face. She is mean monkey. Hey Cakenistas, I've got a cake pop in one hand and kitty ears in the other because it's my birthday and I can do whatever. Trevor, not, okay, I just dropped him. How old do you think I am? I wanted to make something special, something that's close to my heart. One of my favorite foods and something that was very, very quick to make because my guests were coming, and as usual I made my birthday cake, and as usual it was crunch time and I literally finished it 10 minutes before they got there. This is one of those quick and easy last minute birthday cakes. I love sushi. I would have loved to have a sushi party, but I'm keto right now. I'm not doing the cauliflower rice wrapped up in nori, you know, with smoked salmon and cream cheese. However, that does sound kind of amazing. I actually had two birthday cakes. I had a keto one, which was chocolate coffee cake with a cream cheese frosting. For my birthday, if you could just give me one gift, to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Do you see this gesture? Then press on the notification bell so that you'll get the notifications. Let's get started. Okay, Cakenistas, this is my delicious, fluffy, light, feathery vanilla cake. I baked it with some crushed pineapple. Get your favorite vanilla cake. Add about 3 tablespoons of crushed pineapple per layer. I'm actually using the syrup from the can of pineapple to act as a simple syrup, while I'm also putting some of that crushed pineapple. I didn't want too much on each layer. And then I'm going to top that with some vanilla buttercream, which you can check the description for. Yum yum. For the top layer, I'm going to do a small sprinkle of sweetened coconut flakes. When that is all done, I'm going to do my crumb coat for my cake, refrigerate it for about 15 minutes or so, and then finish with a thicker layer of vanilla frosting. My birthday, it only comes one day a year. Yeah, I'm gonna have many breakdowns throughout this video because it's my birthday video, so I gotta do that. Now, I measured the height of the cake. It reaches exactly 4 inches. We're gonna measure our black fondant. This is gonna be the nori, the outside of the sushi roll. So I'm gonna make the height of my fondant 4.5 inches. Now my only thing, of course, is the wraparound, which I didn't feel like measuring. I'm just going with the flow. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And clearly, it didn't. So I'm going to need to cut out a second piece of fondant, and then we're going to wrap that around the cake. Now I'm going to make my toppers, and thank goodness this was such a quick process because my guests were about 10 minutes away. So I'm gonna do something similar to what would look like smoked salmon when it's thinly sliced and then kind of ruffled or rolled up. I'm just rolling out some salmon orange colored fondant, and then I'm gonna ruffle the pieces together and kind of bunch them together. My favorite sushi roll, if you watched my mini sushi cake bites is the Philly roll. It's delicious. It's smoked salmon, avocado, cream cheese. It is so, so, so good. So I'm gonna make fondant that looks similar to avocado. It's like an avocado green, and then I'm going to cut it into rectangles. It's my birthday. I'm gonna party like it's my birthday. I'm gonna sip that unsweetened iced tea like it's my birthday. Cause I'm on that keto diet for my birthday. Trying to lose this weight real quick for my birthday, yay. Looking real good in the swimsuit, bae. Trying to hit the beach when it comes to the bay. Or when I go to the bay. Whatever. Did you see me get my little Kim on? Nice. If this is the first video that you have watched on my channel, hello. I am Marisha. This is normal to us. This is nothing new. So now I decided to marble a piece of red and white fondant and make it look similar to tuna, to fresh tuna. Just something to give it a pop of color. At this point, you can pretty much make whatever type of little toppings that you want. They also can just be candy if you would like as well. So just a sprinkle of that coconut. Baby girl had a little bit of a red gel dye on her hands, and that transferred over to the coconut, but we're just gonna cover that up, which is perfect because it's already a pineapple coconut cake. And then I'm gonna make a little bit of rum in the center of the cake for all of my little fondant toppers. I had to have a dance breakdown. Then I'm going to strategically place all of my pieces onto the top of the cake. And sushi is usually done in a pattern form, so you would want to make everything look somewhat symmetrical. And then cover up any of the gaps with those coconut flakes. Add a little bit of wasabi and ginger on the side, and fondant of course, and you have got yourself a delicious looking edible sushi cake. I want you guys to check the description below for my sushi cake bites, and check out a little bit of my birthday with some ultimate 90s style sappy music. Couture and a sushi cake. Bye guys. Here we go. Now's my time for love. Lonely moments seem to have gone now. I am moving on. I can face the world since you came back and said happy birthday. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know that a couple of you guys wanted to send me a gift. I'm not asking, but the link will be below for my Amazon wish list. If you look at it, don't judge, because I have a lot of random things from an Easy Bake Oven. I love Easy Bake. I'm sorry. I want to play with the Easy Bake Oven. I like toys. Just saying. Little pieces of clothing items. I really don't even know. Like, I have like a hot plate. I think it's just a bunch of random stuff. Like, I just really want some erythritol. That's all. I just used all my erythritol. Let me know what your birthday is down below. If there are any other Aquarians out there, happy birthday. I love you guys. And you can also check my previous birthday videos down below. Leave a comment down below. Say hello. I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye, cake nistas. It's a family affair. Nice. It's a family affair. Ooh. It's a family affair. Mom? I was really afraid you were going to burn me. I'd never do that.